It's Chinese New Year, everyone, which means it's Year of the Snake. So to honor our noodle-shaped reptile, let's make some longevity noodles. We're going to chop up our carrots, mushroom, garlic, and yellow chives into nice long strips. We're going to be using two types of mushrooms here, both Shiitake and king oyster mushrooms. Make sure that you wash your mushrooms beforehand. Many dishes eaten around Chinese New Year represent different aspects of good luck. Fish representing prosperity, Chinese dumplings representing wealth, and longevity noodles representing longevity. You know, there was also a bunch of superstitions I was told growing up, like, oh, don't wash your hair on the day of the New Year's because it washes away the good luck. The types of noodles that we are going to be using are Chinese Ifu or Chinese Evening, which are very long, deep-fried noodles that have been dehydrated. Once all the vegetable prep is complete, we're going to cook our chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes, but not all the way. You don't want it to be too dry. Once that's done, add in your mushrooms and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes before adding your garlic, carrots, and then letting all of that delicious juice flow out. Add in a little bit of chicken broth alongside 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soya sauce, and a single teaspoon of sugar to make that soft. For those of you who are in the lucky year of the snake, this will be a year of transformation and self-growth. Your relationships will become all that much better this year. Once our ingredients have simmered for about 2 to 3 minutes, you'll put in your noodles and toss until coated. Add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken the sauce before adding in your yellow chives and sesame oil. And Happy New Year! May your New Year's be long, lucky, and prosperous!